Welcome back to Learning Curve. If you're ready to take the next step in your cryptocurrency journey, today we're going to walk through setting up your Binance account and making your first trade. In our last video, we introduced you to the basics of cryptocurrency and the importance of analysis in trading. If you haven't seen it yet, be sure to check it out. First things first, let's get you set up with a Binance account. Head over to Binance.com, click on Register, and fill out your details. Remember to use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication for added security. You'll need to verify your email and set up your security options. Binance takes security seriously, so make sure you do too. Once you're logged in, this is your Binance dashboard. Here, you can see your wallet balances, access the markets, and manage your account settings. Let's take a quick tour. The Markets tab is where you'll find all the available trading pairs, Wallet shows your balances, and a Trade is where the magic happens. We'll dive deeper into trading in just a moment. One of the standout features of Binance is its extensive selection of trading pairs, allowing you to trade hundreds of different cryptocurrencies. Beyond just trading, Binance offers a host of other features like staking, futures trading, savings accounts, and even an NFT marketplace. Security is a top priority at Binance. They offer robust features like two-factor authentication, 2FA, anti-phishing codes, and the Secure Asset Fund for Users, SAFU, which acts as an emergency insurance fund in case of a security breach. Binance is also known for its transparent operations and regulatory compliance in various countries. One reason Binance is so popular is its user-friendly interface. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, Binance offers tools and layouts that suit your needs. The platform's simple mode is great for beginners, while the advanced mode provides more in-depth analysis tools for seasoned traders. Binance is truly a global platform, available in over 180 countries and offering multiple languages and fiat currency options. Whether you're in the USA, Europe, Asia, or elsewhere, Binance has tailored services to meet your local needs. Once logged in, head over to the Buy Crypto section located at the top of the page. Here, you'll find various options to purchase cryptocurrencies using different payment methods. Binance offers multiple payment methods to buy USDT, including credit, debit card, bank transfer, and peer-to-peer, P2P, trading. Choose the option that best suits your needs. Next, select USDT as the cryptocurrency you want to purchase from the drop-down list. USDT is a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, making it a popular choice for traders. Enter the amount of USDT you want to buy, either in your local currency or in USDT. Binance will automatically calculate the equivalent amount. Before proceeding, review your order details, including the price, payment method, and fees. Once everything looks good, click Buy USDT to confirm your purchase. Depending on your payment method, you'll either be redirected to your bank's payment gateway, or you'll need to complete the transaction on Binance platform. Follow the instructions to complete the payment. After your purchase is complete, head over to your wallet to check your USDT balance. Your new USDT should appear shortly, and you're now ready to use it for trading or transferring. Remember to keep an eye on Binance fees and consider using secure payment methods. Also, if you're new to buying crypto, start with smaller amounts to get comfortable with the process. Now that you've got your USDT, you're ready for the exciting part, trading. In our next video, we'll dive into the trading process and explore the critical aspect of analyzing the market. Whether you're looking at fundamental analysis or technical charts, we'll cover everything you need to know to make informed trading decisions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Learning Curve, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Got questions or topics you'd like us to cover? Drop them in the comments below. Your input helps us create content that's tailored to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.